Alright, so I'm going to demo a new feature that I've added into the custom payload generator for the suggestion chips response type in Dialogflow Messenger. And if you go to BotFlo and you go to this payload generator and click on the button, you know that that's how you'll be able to get to this particular tool. Now, when you're building a complex decision tree chatbot, what you would actually do is you will use this generator to create like suggestion chips. Let's say that one of them is you just give yes or no choices to the user. And this is stuff that you already seen. It just generates the rich response payload in this box. And what you can do is you can just quickly do a preview, and then you can click on this copy JSON to clipboard, and then you'll be able to paste it into the Dialogflow. And I've already covered this in a previous video. So this is already available. But if you had to create one more set of suggestion chips, what you had to do before was you had to go here and then you had to delete this and you had to do all that. And let's say that you wanted to go back to the yes no again, then you had to go back and retype all the stuff. So what I've done now is I just added a feature for you to save this. So this custom payload can be saved. So if I were to click on save for reuse, and you just have to give it like 10 seconds or so for it to completely process it and actually save it into your account. And if you notice, you can see that it's now saved it under this saved custom payloads over here. Notice that these buttons, they have the same text as what you have up here, except that these are disabled. You don't, I just give you a visual preview of what this payload is, but these buttons are not clickable, they are disabled. And then you can see that this is the JSON object, and once again you can click on this copy JSON to clipboard and you'll have this JSON available for you to copy over into your Dialogflow agent. So if I were to go and do, let's start over, and I'll just delete this from here, and then I'll also save this for reuse. And you can see what's happening here is that it's actually added it as the next one. And you can also see that it's in the reverse order in which you've saved it in terms of chronological order. The most recent one is at the top. And as you keep saving more, you'll just see that it just keeps getting added into this section like that. So you can just keep doing that and keep saving it. And it just keeps adding into the saved custom payloads over here. You can also delete this payload from the saved payloads if you want. Click on it, and of course it's going to give you a confirmation pop-up if you were to say OK, and give it a few more seconds, and you'll notice that this will also be deleted, and you'll see that it's now gone from this list of saved custom payloads. So this is the feature which will, I hope it will allow you to move faster in developing your Dialogflow Messenger chatbot.